Okay, today we will be learning about the adaptive immune system, and this is present in the body after your body has been exposed to either an infection or a vaccine. The purpose of the adaptive immune system is to defend the body from foreign invaders, such as viruses and bacteria, that intend to cause harm to the host. And again, this is caused after the host is exposed to an antigen from a pathogen or vaccination, and it has a memory to remember future similar pathogens. So once your body has been exposed to like a virus or a bacteria, like the cold or a flu, it will retain how to detect those cells and how to eliminate them later on. There are two primary cells that make up the system, which are B cells and T cells, and antibodies. And then this picture just shows what the adaptive immune system is consistent of and what it matches with the innate immunity as well. The main cells are B cells and T cells, which are both the type of white blood cell. The B cells are the ones that make antibodies, and then the T cells are the ones that kill the viruses and bacteria. Antibodies that are made by B cells are proteins that attack viruses and bacteria within the host cell to eliminate them and make sure they can't infect more cells. And then this diagram just shows the differences between the actions of the B cells and T cells. So you can see the B cells release the antibodies, which attack to the antigens on the pathogen, and then it is blocked from entering other host cells. And then the cytotoxic T cells are the ones that actually kill the infected cells. There's a unique structure of the B and T cells, which allows it to have specificity of the immune response. So each B and T cell will have a specific detector that recognizes a specific type of pathogen. So it'll only attach to the ones that it is specific for. And then when the B or T cells interact with their specific pathogen, this activates the cell, which allows them to produce more B and T cells that will travel throughout the body and detect more pathogens in order to kill those and eliminate them from the body so that the infection does not spread. The antibodies that are present within the adaptive immune system are the ones that bind to the pathogens like bacteria and viruses, and this allows the pathogen to be flagged so that the B and T cells will know which of the cells are infected and need to be eliminated so that the regular healthy cells are not touched. And then this is just a structure of an antibody, so it has these little arms on it that connect to the antigen that is present. So this is actually a COVID-19 virus, and you see the antibodies that are going to attach to these little antigens present on the cell. Foreign invaders are any kind of pathogen like a virus or bacteria, and this is what triggers the activation of the adaptive immune system within the host, and then a chain reaction is caused whenever a B or C cell interacts with the foreign invader, which just causes more and more cells to be produced, and this allows them to travel throughout the body constantly, so that they can detect and eliminate these infected cells so that no more harm is caused. This system is very specific and can differentiate between various kinds of foreign invaders, so it's not just specific to one kind of pathogen, so it can help prevent many different kinds of viruses and bacteria from infecting the body. And then it can retain the memory of these pathogens, so when the body is exposed again later on, the immune response will be quicker and more efficient at eliminating the harmful pathogen. And that is my report on the adaptive immune system, and I hope it gives you a better understanding of the topic. Thank you.